Germany, the land of poets and thinkers, beer and bratwurst, but also a country renowned for its incredible efficiency and engineering prowess. Work, but how did this reputation come to be? How did Germany build one of the most advanced and reliable infrastructures in the world? Today, we're diving deep into the foundations of German development, exploring the Autobahn, the railways, the digital networks, and the green energy revolution that powers this European giant. Let's start with the most iconic piece of German infrastructure, the Autobahn. It's more than just a highway. It's a symbol of freedom and engineering excellence. The idea for a national network of high-speed roads predates the 1930s, but it was during that era that construction truly kicked into high gear. The goal was to connect the country, stimulate the economy, and showcase German engineering. Today, the Autobahn network spans over 13,000 kilometers, making it one of the densest in the world. And yes, it's famous for its sections with no speed limit. The roads are impeccably maintained with a thick, multi-layered construction designed for high speeds and heavy traffic. Advanced traffic management systems, real-time updates, and strict driving rules ensure that, despite the high speeds, the Autobahn is remarkably safe. It's a system built on a foundation of precision, planning, and a culture of disciplined driving. But Germany's transportation backbone isn't just on wheels. The country's railway system, managed primarily by Deutsche Bahn, is another marvel of logistics. From the sleek, high-speed intercity express or ICE trains that zip between major cities at up to 300 kilometers per hour, to the regional trains and ECD networks, rail is the lifeblood of German mobility. The sheer density of the network is astounding. It connects sprawling metropolises with tiny, picturesque villages, making it possible to traverse the entire country without ever needing a car. Of course, Germans love to complain when a train is a few minutes late, which speaks volumes about the high standards they expect. This punctuality is the result of intricate scheduling, state-of-the-art signaling technology, and continuous investment in maintaining and upgrading the tracks. The system is a critical artery for both passengers and freight, moving millions of people and tons of goods every single day, reducing road congestion and carbon emissions in the process. Now, let's talk about getting things from point A to point B, not just people. Germany's position in the heart of Europe makes it a crucial logistics hub, and its waterways are an unsung hero of its economic success. Major rivers like the Rhine, the Elbe, and the Danube have been vital trade routes for centuries. Today, they are part of a sophisticated network of canals and inland ports, a massive gateway for goods flowing in and out of Europe. It's not just a place where ships dock. It's a high-tech logistics center where automation and digital systems coordinate the movement of millions of containers. This integration of sea, river, rail, and road transport creates a seamless and highly efficient supply chain that powers the German export economy. It's a complex dance of cranes, ships, trains, and trucks, all choreographed with German precision. Of course, in the 21st century, infrastructure isn't just about concrete and steel. It's also about data. So what about Germany's digital infrastructure? This is an area where Germany has faced some criticism for being a bit behind the curve compared to some of its neighbors. While major cities are well connected, expanding high-speed internet, especially fiber optics, to more rural areas has been a challenge. The government recognized this and launched a massive initiative to boost its digital capabilities. The goal is nationwide gigabit-capable networks. This push isn't just about faster streaming on Netflix. It's fundamental to Germany's future. It's about enabling Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, where factories are smart, cars are connected, and public services are digitized. Companies are investing heavily in data centers, 5G networks, and cloud computing. It's a race to build the digital highways that will support the next generation of German innovation and keep its economy at the forefront of global competition. One of the most ambitious and transformative projects in Germany today is the Energiewende, which literally means energy turn. It's a national policy to transition from fossil fuels and nuclear power to a sustainable energy portfolio dominated by renewables. This is a monumental undertaking that requires completely rethinking and rebuilding the country's energy infrastructure. You can see the change all across the landscape: vast wind farms spinning on the northern coasts, solar panels gleaming on rooftops in sunny Bavaria, and biogas plants dotting the countryside. But generating green energy is only half the battle. The other half is getting that power from where it's produced. often in the windy north, to the industrial heartlands in the south. This requires the construction of thousands of kilometers of new high-voltage power lines, the so-called electricity highways. It's a project that has faced delays and local opposition, but it's absolutely essential for the success of the Energiewende. It's about creating a smart, decentralized grid that can handle the fluctuating nature of wind and solar power, ensuring that the lights stay on and the factories keep running in a carbon-neutral future. So how does all of this come together? The secret to Germany's success lies in a few key principles. First, a long-term vision. These massive infrastructure projects are planned decades in advance, with a clear understanding of future needs. Second, a commitment to quality and maintenance. Things are built to last. And there's a constant cycle of investment in upkeep and modernization. This Vorsprung durch Technik, progress through technology, isn't just a marketing slogan. It's a core philosophy. Third, a federal system that allows for both national planning and regional implementation. And finally, a highly skilled workforce, from the engineers who design the systems to the technicians who maintain them, all backed by Germany's world-famous vocational training system. However, the German model is not without its challenges. The bureaucracy can be slow. Getting approval for new projects can take years. And as we've seen with digital expansion and the energy grid, progress isn't always as fast as people would like. The country is also facing an aging infrastructure that requires massive reinvestment. Bridges, canals, and public buildings from the post-war boom are reaching the end of their lifespan, and modernizing them is a colossal task. There's also the constant debate about balancing economic development with environmental protection and public opinion. Yet, despite these hurdles, Germany's infrastructure remains a benchmark for the world. It is the physical manifestation of the country's values: planning, precision, quality, and a relentless drive for efficiency. From the smooth ride on the Autobahn to the punctual arrival of a train, from the seamless flow of goods to the ambitious shift towards green energy, Germany's infrastructure is the framework that supports its economic strength and high quality of life. It's a system that is constantly evolving, adapting to new challenges and new technologies. It's a story not just of concrete and steel, but of a vision for a connected, efficient, and sustainable future. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Germany's infrastructure. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next exploration. What part of German infrastructure fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.